Hello student, welcome back to maths class 4 standard maths. Today we learn here decimal. Decimal. We have already know about the fraction. All are remembered fraction how to write. So let us look some fractions which 10, 100 and 1000 is their denominator. Okay, now first decimal means what? All of you know decimals means what? A decimal number can be defined as number whose whole number of part and the fraction part is separated by a decimal point. Okay, and the dot in decimal number is called the decimal point. See here how to recognize the decimal number. See 2.42. See here, there one number separated with a point. You call that point decimal point and call that number decimal number. And here, see here, before dot you call that number integral part and call this part one decimal part. All of you understand? Now see the how to write the decimal number. One, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5. Okay, see here 1, 2, part is here colored. How to write this one? Write in first fraction 2/10 and now you write there with the decimal. 2/10 means 0.2. How to come 0.2? See here. Here denominator number is a 10. So you give there 0.2 because of denominator number is 10 and 10 have 1 0. Count their point. How many zeros have their denominator place have 1. So count there and write there. Understand? All of you understand? Next one, given you fraction 15 divided by 100. How to write in decimal? Point 0.15. Now also same, 117 divided by 100. That time how to write? 1, 2. Write their last two number, give their point and write remaining numbers. Next one, 3 by 1000. How to write? 0 point. How many 0? 1, 2. But here is one number. All of you understand? Next one, 315 divided by 1000. How to write? Count their last three numbers. 1, 2, 3. Right there. 315. Point 0 because of denominator have 1000. All of you understand? Now see here, this is a shaded part. How many total parts? 10. See how 10? 1, 2. And how many is a horizontal line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. This type you count there. How many square is there? Okay. Open your textbook. Now open your textbook. Write the shaded part as a fraction, a decimal number, a decimal number. How many is there? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 10. 5 to the 10. 10 right? Denominator. How many color? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 10. There denominator have 10. So write there 0.3. Here also how many is there? Total parts 10. How many colored? 4. Write there 0.4. How many total part? 10 is there. How many colored? 5. Write there 0.5. All of you understand? D1 is your homework. Now, next one, how do you count? So many is there, na? So, count there one horizontal line, one standing line. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a 10. And horizontal line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 multiplied by 10. You do here 10 multiplied by 10. How many is total is here? 100. You want here total numbers of square na? 100 is there. One horizontal lines and one standing lines number columns. You multiply there, that time you have that answer hand. How many color there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 0.8. You want here two numbers na, so before it 1 0 given. 0.08. 0.08. Next one also same column. So numerator is the same. But how many color? 30. 3 horizontal and 10 this one standing columns is there. So 10 tens are 100. Now 3 horizontal, 10 standing, 3 is a 30, 31, 32. 32 out of 100. Right there 0.32. Here also how many is there? 100. How many is horizontal line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 10, 50. Plus 1, 51 divided by 100, 0.51. H1 is your homework. H1 is your homework. Now, this one also same. This one also same. How many is there in standing line? 25. This one 40. Now 40 multiplied by 25. 25 4s are 100. And one extra 0. 1000 is there. So divided there 1000. Okay, this one is a 40. 40 and how many is there? This one 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 40 and 35. 75 is there. 75. How to write? 0.075. Because of here numerator is a 1000. Numerator is a 1000. So write there. Okay. Next one also same. Divided by 1000. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45 is there. So write there 0.45 is correct. No, 0.045 is the correct answer. Now see. Here we learn where is the integral part? Yeah, whole part is there. Numbers left side, decimal points left side, and call that integral part, and decimal point right side you call their decimal part. Decimal part या decimal, and this one dot you call that one decimal point. You call that one decimal point. And how to read this one number? See here 2.48. Here 2 is a integral part. 2 is a integral part. 48 is a decimal part. 48 is a decimal part. And this one point you call that decimal point. Decimal point. How to read this one? 2.48. Write inwards there. 2.48. Next one 3.55. How to read? And how to write? 3.55. Understand? And see. Open the page number 71. Circle the integral part, underline the decimal part. Read each number aloud. 7.843. Circle the integral part and underline the decimal point. 34.08. 34 circle 08 underline. 0.891. 5.0. 161.16. 830.8. 008. 9.43. H1 is your homework. Now write the decimal number for the underline the decimal part. Write the decimal numbers for the following. Underline the decimal part. 4.6. 4.6. Underline the decimal part. 32.3. 32.3. Underline the decimal point. 170. 170.37. 37 is a decimal part. 0.17. 0.17. 300.005. 59.9. GHI is your homework. GHI is your homework. Next one. Write the numbers name. Write the numbers name. 0.2. Write there 0.2. How to write? Understand? Where is point? There you call the point. Okay. 3.4. 3.4. 3.81. 3.81. 41. 0.00. How to read? Understand? 3. 8.004. All of you understand? Now today's homework is page number 70, 71 and 72 completed. Okay, thank you.